Hey, I'm Steve Magnante here in Bogart, Georgia at the Tony Townley Collection, where on October 24th and 25th, 2025, Richmond Auctions will be conducting a two-day sale of about 100 special interest vehicles, many of them at no reserve. I'm standing here with a 1919 Minneapolis 1225 tractor, and this has a four-cylinder liquid-cooled engine, runs on kerosene or gasoline, has 12 drawbar horsepower or 25 belt drive horsepower. What does that mean? Well, 12 horsepower here means it pulls 12 horsepower worth of load behind, and 25 means the amount of power the belt can exert on a belt-driven thresher or whatever type of machine you want to use out in the field. 2 speeds forward, 1 speed reverse. Exposed worm and sector steering right here. No power steering. These guys had to earn their living for sure. Run flat tires clearly, but a beautiful show-worthy example of a 1919 agricultural tool that undoubtedly did its part to feed thousands of families in the 1920s and 30s. Great example of the breed, nicely restored, bid strong.